Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone's rear underseat VIAIR compressor mount for Jeep's 2018 to current JL Unlimited Wrangler. Step 1. Pull the carpet back and unscrew the knob located on the back of your rear driver's side seat. Push the carpet back into place. With the T47 Torx bit, remove the 2 Torx screws. If you have our Fishbone storage rack, remove the thumb screw. The compressor mount will not work with the rack installed. Step 2. Hold your VIAIR air compressor up to the main plate using the holes to help with the alignment. We will be using the 2 holes on the far left side and the 4 slots on the right side. You will want to make sure your air filter is placed on the side of the mounting plate with the slotted mounting holes. Otherwise, you will have issues with the filter running into the pillar in your vehicle. With an 8mm socket or wrench and a 3mm Allen key, install the included M5 hardware to mount your VIAIR air compressor. You may need to slightly bend the bracket on the left end of your main plate to give the air compressor some room. Step 3. After installing your hardware, hold your compressor mount up to the front 2 hardtop mount holes inside the compressor mount in between the hardtop and the Jeep tub. You may need to wiggle your bracket into place due to it being a snug fit. Finally, install the 2 30mm hex head screws using a 13mm socket. Then you're done!